Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm not here with any kind of software. Actually, I'm over here with an update that might make you wonder that whom should you trust. Eventually, I'm looking for to change my channel because it makes me wonder that what software that I should trust. Then I wonder what I should recommend to you. Anyways, if you do really have a secret and you don't want to share it to anyone, I think you should at least share it to a person rather than your own device. Because if you share it to a person, then it might get revealed to a group of people. But if you share it with your device, then who knows? If you're unlucky, that might get revealed towards your shopkeeper, your guy next door, girl next door, or else your corporate colleagues, friends, or in worst cases, the one who really want to keep it a secret. Anyways, what I'm talking about the VLC, the free ones. If you really want to know the details, then please, I'm Salman Ahmed, and hang on. Do you really think that cyber attack turned to be latest trends going around this world? I wonder, what should I say? Sometimes the popular companies doesn't want us their best services for free. Anyways, because of its free and open source, VLC is one of the most popular class platform around this world of 3.1 billion installed across various operating systems. Unfortunately, a newfound and potential various serious security flaws discovered in VLC. The Guzmanda report through WinFeature has given an update that the Windows, Linux, and Unix version of VLC are all affected with this vulnerability attack. But luckily, the Mac users, relax. You don't have to worry about anything. There is a huge number of potential vulnerabilities in the system out there. Means that the hacker can gain access to your file via this media player. I'm serious. Whom should you trust? Actually linked with the 6 months earlier incident when the German government and the security agency has been accused of not taking internet security seriously following a huge data breach that affected hundreds of politicians, celebrities out there. Information tip off on Twitter throughout December, including mobile phone numbers, credit card details, contact information, and family photographs. Obviously, some celebrity nude scandals. The hack is likely to increase Germans' comparatively high degree of expectation towards the social media. This incident triggers the aggression and sincerity of German security agency Cardbond to go out of its way, naming and shaking is aggregated. Eventually, it backfires through exposing the security flaw of the popular open source application, yes, the VLC player. According to Guzman report, German security agency, the Cardbond, discovered the very serious flaw containing two high-risk security vulnerabilities, which is the DB attack violation vulnerabilities and also the write access flaws. Checkpoint vulnerability research team discovered multiple malicious content disguised as a various format of subtitle files, vulnerable to exploit their victim's device automatically while playing the movies and television program. Responsible team leader Omri Harsovici, sorry if I pronounced wrong, told Express UK the supply chain of subtitles typically contains HTML or Java codes, complexed over 25 different formats like SRTs, BVs, SCC, and multiple others with unique features and capabilities created by a range of writers and uploaded to online repositories such as OpenSubtitles.org. This fragment ecosystem grabs the attention of attackers to pose a RCE remote code execution, which potentially giving remote access to execute artillery code anonymously, take over complete control of their victim's device without authorization, and could also give authorization remotely to other attackers. Meanwhile, the vulnerability has already been described on CV 2019-2019 MN 13615 as the link is given over here. The Cardbond has given the security flaws with a base vulnerability score of 9.8 out of 10, where the Confederation has classified the vulnerability as critical and awarded the risk assessment as high, with a fourth highest warning level for the security holes. Counter the accusation, the VLC representative out through also took it to the Twitter to talk about this bug, or rather the non-bug. Based on their Twitter, VLC president and lead VLC developer Jean-Baptiste Kemp, sorry if I pronounced wrong, has just recently left a series of comments suggesting the report as a fake news. VLAN developer says the security issue only appears to affect MKV files. If you don't watch them, you are fine, which means to be caused by a third-party library called libebim that was fixed 16 months ago, was noticed on version 3.0.6 and older, prone to inject malicious code. Since there is a new version of 3.0.71 got introduced by VLC, developer claims the update less vulnerable to exploit, but who knows. Meanwhile, the most important thing is you have to decide who to believe, the Cardban who brought all the entire mess to light, or the VideoLAN itself, who is denying all this issue as fake. Unlike in June, however, cases reveal that the vulnerability has not yet exploited anyone to be reported. The report regarding to this update has a mixed review from different media sites. Until then, things are really very confusing. Only time will remove the shades, and it may unmask the dark truth of VLC, or it seems to drag Cardban in hot water if they truly publish a fake security flaw. Anyway, according to me, the water is still muddy. Though there are some other media players like VLC, is Cody, Popcorn Time, and Stemero is also affected. Anyways, if you really want to retain with VLC, then please do update a new version of a player that patches up. I wonder it's even planning to do this. So if you have any doubt, then do pay attention to the VLC changelog as the link given below. And if a few minor versions go by and all seems well, consider going back to using VLC. But this is probably my last video regarding any sort of softwares, because even I wonder whom should I trust, then why I should recommend you something. And I'm gonna be sharing some new content with some new videos which are gonna be equally interesting, and I hope you're gonna like those contents. Please do click the bell icon so that whenever I upload any videos you get the notification. Till then, thank you. This is Salman Ahmed, and thanks for watching Stalwart on YouTube.